Let's see a falcon.
Looking right at us, like, are you taking pictures of me? I'm a very rare bird.
¿Qué es el nombre de este pájaro? Is it a falcon?
Which one?
The one by the water in the corner, in the esquina, abajo. See the fountain on the far side? And look right in the corner of the water, over here on the far side. He's red. It's a Peregrine Falcon, see? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Is
It's
it
probably pretty rare, isn't it?
No, here they are because they breed here.
Oh, so
There's
there's
2 or 3 pairs. They're very territorial.
how many pairs? 12?
3 or 4.
3 or 4? Okay.
Or it's a Peregrine Falcon or it's a Kestrel.
A kestrel?
One
Okay.
of the 2.
He's little, but he's pretty.
A Kestrel.
Hey, I'm the one who spotted him, though.
Yeah, she did, son. Good job.
Let's check. I've got the picture.
I think he's walking on water.
Creo que es una pocha.
No, he's just in the shower.
O una primilla es un halcón peregrino. No, una lechuza no.
He's taking a bath. Look at him.
Tiene pico de...
Ah, sí, sí.
No tiene pico
O
de...
una
Okay,
primilla.
no,
Eso parece una
no.
focha.
No estoy seguro si la primera o
Una
la
pocha.
Si lo veo de bola así, porque I think it's a falcon.
It's a falcon. That's what I think.
Que no tiene el pico de halcón.
¿No tiene el pico del halcón?
No, eso parece una focha. Una focha de...
Sí, no, esto ataca, esto le se come las cosas. Esto ataca ahí. Vamos a tomarle más cosas.
Yo creo que es una focha.
Alright, well there's a bird of some sort above Gibraltar.